Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this video we will see few programs using while loop, as well as we will also understand how to use random module in Python. So remember, in the last video I have provided the link in the description as well. We learned about finding digits from a number. So if the number is 2873, we saw that we can divide the number by 10, right? So first we can say mod 10. This gives me the remainder, that is 3. And then when we say divide by 10, it gives me the question, that is 287. Then with this 287, we again say mod 10. So we get the next digit, that is 7. Again we say 287 divided by 10, which gives me 28, and so on until my number becomes 0. So we are going to take the same example, but this time we will find the sum of digits in a n digit number. So n digit number is 2873. So I'll take the input from the user. Right. Now we all know that we need to find sum of digits. So we will have to declare a variable sum of digits equal to 0. If you remember in the previous video, the way we did was while your n is greater than 0, right? So while it is greater than 0, I want to get the digit. So I'll say digit equals to n mod 10. So if the number is 2873, n mod 10 will give you 3. I want to find the sum. So I will say sum of digits plus equal to the digit. So it's 0 plus 3 is 3, and then I divide the number by 10. So I will get 287. Then next time it goes n greater than 0, I get the next digit, that is 7. And previously it was 0 plus 3. Now this is because sum is 3 plus 7 becomes 10. Then again next time it becomes 28. Then we get the next digit 8. Add in the previous sum 3 plus 7 plus 8. Then we get 2. Greater than 0, we get the digit as 2. Then we add in the previous sum 2. Now my number becomes 0 and my program stops. So I can just print sum of digits. Now when I run, you would see enter a number. Suppose I add 2873. You can see it's 27 plus 3 is 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So because I don't know how many digits a number will be, I can easily use while loop. Now I'm also going to introduce one more module, which is called as a random module. So any .py file is called as a module in Python. Okay, random module will be used to randomly generate numbers. So for example, to be able to use, I will be saying import random. And now if I say, we'll just see random dot rand, I want random integers between 1, 10. If I run this, so it just gives me a random integer 10. If I put this in a for loop, say 1, 10. So let's see how many random integers it displays, right? So I can say print, 7, 9, 1, 2, 1. So it's random. So it starts from 1 inclusive of 10, and randomly it generates integers between 1 to 10. If I'll run it again, you may get some different output this time. See, right? So we didn't got, So 8, 9, 4, 10. It can be anything. So again, if I'll run, so you can just try it out. N number of times you'll run, you will get different values. Now I want to write a program which checks for the random number generated and it compares it. If it is equal, I'll stop the loop, right? So how do I do that? So what I'll be doing is, I can put this in the while loop. So while it generates a number, if it is not equal to 10, it has to continue and print. So let me say number equals to this, and I'll say while number not equals to 10, print number, and I'll regenerate. So it generates a number, checks if it's not equal to 10. So let me do one thing, let me comment out. Okay, so it gets a number, so let's check the number it gets, and then we'll print the number if it is not equal to 10, and then it goes again and generates a random number. It checks and it continues until it is 10. So let's see. So number was 8, 8, 8, 9. So somewhere around here it got 10. So the loop stops. So you can see, I don't know when that number will come when I'm doing with random integers. So I can use while loop. I cannot use for because I don't know how many times will I have to run to get the number that is 10. So these are the few examples where you would be using while loop when you don't know how many iterations it will take for the condition to be false. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will have a look at break, continue, and the else clause available with the loops. Till then, happy learning, take care, and bye-bye.